So the last video I made of Matt, they had 3 single coil pickups. Now it's been hot rodded with a DiMarzio X2N in the bridge, a DiMarzio Pro Track in the neck, and a Seymour Duncan JB, little JB, in the middle position, which I'm going to switch to a Fast Track 1 once the pickups come in. Then I'll do another video about what that sounds like. I have my Marshall running cleans. It's a Marshall Origin 20 watt. Sounds pretty loud. Can't turn that shit down. And then my Blackstar 40 watt for my distortion. Then I'm running some pedals through the clean and dirty. You'll get to hear what the pedals sound like in a bit. Here are the cleans. Neck position. Middle position. Neck and middle. Bridge and middle. Now on to the distortion. Now, onto a bit of pedal work. Here's a phaser going into distortion. play that. Now, here is my Big Muff Pi, the orange one, with some distortion on already. Now, here is my Electric Lady. Oh no, it's Electric Mistress. Thinking of Jimi Hendrix there. Electric Harmonics. This is basically, I have a whole Electric Harmonics board besides my phaser, which is an MXR. Not bad, but I'm more like Electric Harmonics. Now let's add a bit of distortion to it.